Hello everyone and welcome to Fun Maths. Today we're learning something super important in geometry, angles on a straight line and angles at a point. By the end of this video, you'll be solving angle problems like a pro. So grab your pencil and let's dive in. First, what is an angle? An angle is formed when two lines meet at a point. This point is called the vertex, and the lines are called the arms or sides of the angles. Now, let's talk about angle on a straight line. When two or more angles sit on a straight line and touch each other at a point, they all add up to 180 degrees. Angles on a straight line sums up to 180 degrees. That is a degree plus b degree must be equal to 180 degrees. Now let's try out some examples. Find the missing angle. In this angle on a straight line, we have 120 degrees and we have x. So for us to be able to find the value for x, we have to subtract 120 from 180 degrees. So it means that my x will just simply be what? 60 degrees. That's simply the value for x. Let's take another example. Here, we have three angles on a straight line: 105 degree, 44 degree, and x. Now, for us to find the missing angle, first, we need to add up the angles that we have already been given. That is 105 degree plus 44 degree. That is simply 149 degree. Then subtract this from 180 degree. That is x will simply be equal to 180 degrees minus 149 degree. And that will simply be 31 degree. So x is 31 degrees. Now let's talk about angles at the point. What if angles go around the point, like slices of pizza? Those are called angles at a point, and they always add up to 360 degrees. Angles at a point always sum up to 360 degrees. That is, angle A plus angle B plus angle C must always give us 360 degrees. Let's try out some examples. Find the missing angles. So in this case, we want to find the missing angles from this angle at the point. Firstly, add up all the angles that have been given. That is 110 degrees plus 49 degrees plus 76 degrees. Now, if we quickly do our addition, 110 plus 49 plus 76, this simply gives us 15. This is 13. And this is 2. So it sums up to 235 degrees. Then we take this away from 360 degrees. So 360 degrees minus 235 degrees. That would just simply be 125 degrees. So x will simply be equal to 125 degrees. Another example. Here we are told to find the value of x. Now, this type of question will lead to what is called an equation. That is, if I add up all the different angles, 3x plus 4x plus 5x plus 6x, it will all give me 360 degrees. So 3x plus 4x is 7x, 7x plus 5x is 12x, and 12x plus 6x is 18x. So 18x will simply be equal to 360 degrees. For me to get my x, I have to divide both sides of the equation by 18. So 18, we take out 18. My x will just simply be equal to 20 degrees. So x will simply be equal to 20 degrees. Let's have a quick summary. Here's what we've learned today. Angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. Angles at a point adds up to 360 degrees. You can find the missing angle by subtracting the known angles from the total. Practice time. Kindly pause the video and try out these practice questions. I would love to see your answers in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Also hit the bell so you don't miss our next geometry lesson. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.